Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I have chicken and broccoli in mind for dinner. So I'm going to make a marinade sauce with soy sauce, honey, and a little bit of vinegar. Then I'm going to let the chicken sit in there for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. That chicken is boneless chicken thighs. Each thigh is cut into 4 pieces. So let's get started. Alright, this is 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. It's going to be teriyaki type of chicken with a little change of ingredients. Now I'm going to marinate the chicken in this sauce I just made. Okay, chicken is resting in the soy sauce marinade, and this is 4 chicken thighs cut into 4 pieces each. And we are going to leave it there. We will steam some broccoli and steam some rice with it. After 10 minutes we will start cooking. Alright, I'm heating up the oil. 2 tablespoons and a half of olive oil, and here we have the chicken. It's nice color now. It's been sitting there in the marinade for 10 minutes. So as soon as the pan heats up, I'm going to put it place it in the pan to make the sides crisp, both sides. Even that I'm not using the skin, but to explain I will tell you that I put the skin side down first and then I will turn it around. All the pieces are skin side down because there is honey in the marinade. So you can see the 3 pieces that I turned looks beautiful, but you also have to be careful because you don't want to burn it. Those pieces are turning nice beautiful color, and we didn't add any soy sauce yet. This was just the marinade, and the rest of the marinade is over there. This is just whatever the chicken absorbed is what is giving that color. Now that all of our chicken pieces looks nice and pretty, all brown glazed, we will add the rest of the soy sauce and cover it for a few minutes, 3 or 4 minutes. In goes the rest of the marinade. Let's cover it and let it cook for 3 minutes. Alright, it's time to take the chicken out now. Let me put it in a separate plate. So all the chicken is out. Put it in a separate plate, but I'm not going to use this. I'm not going to throw away that sauce. All the drippings, everything is going to be used. I misspoke before, sorry about that. So far it's only been soy sauce and honey and a little bit of vinegar. Now I'm going to add some chili pepper to it, or hot chili oil. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of my hot chili oil. That would be good. Going to mix it and let it cook for a minute or 2 again. Okay, that sauce is simmering and it smells so good. So good. The combination of soy and honey and the hot peppers, it's just out of this world. Okay, I think the sauce is reduced enough. It's nice and thick and bubbly. That means all the sugars are getting thicker. That's good. So I will stop it right here. Okay, wash the pan, and now I'm going to steam the broccoli in the same pan. I'm going to cover it on medium to low for like 3-4 minutes and then check on it. Only thing I added in there is few spoons of water in the bottom, pinch of salt, and 1 clove of sliced garlic. Okay, that broccoli is nicely done. Let's go and plate it. Alright everybody, my dinner is ready. Tell me that's not pretty. That's the teriyaki chicken I made, and with a little bit of teriyaki sauce, I drizzled all over it. Boiled rice, steamed broccoli, and it's so good. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Give me your feedback. Let me know how I'm doing. Thank you. I can't wait anymore. I gotta eat. So bye bye. Bye. Bismillah, Bismillah. Time for me to eat.